Good morning guys, good afternoon and good evening, because I don't know in what time you're watching this video. That's why I'm wishing you that one. So guys, today we are going to make twisted duck feet. So here are the algorithms, and this is my cube. I have told you that how I lost this, so please don't look on it. You can watch my old videos to learn many other patterns of Rubik's cube. So guys, let's get started with our pattern, that is twisted duck feet. So let me show you that how it looks. Guys, it looks like this. It's very beautiful and you can see it. It's pretty amazing. So let me solve this. Sorry guys, I am late in making the videos. So let's start our video with some algorithms. So F, okay, R prime, okay, B for back, B, R, U, F prime, L, L prime, F prime, U two times, L prime, U prime, D two times, 1, 2, B, D prime, F prime, sorry F, then B prime, then U two times. Yes, guys, you can see this, that I have made this cube and cube. No, we have made twisted duck feet. So here it is. To solve this cube, you have to do this algorithm for 2 times, and you can do it for 1 time also by doing like this. Just go to the opposite side of this and do this algorithm for 1 time. Your cube gets solved like this. F, R prime, B, R, U, F prime, L prime, F prime, U two times, L prime, U prime, D two times, B for back, D prime, F, then B prime, and then U two times. So guys, as you can see that my cube is now solved. So like this, you can make cube and cube by watching my old videos, cube and cube by watching my old videos, and twisted the feet by watching this, and twisted sides by combination method in my old video. Guys, what is combination method? I have not explained it briefly, so watch my next video to learn that what is the brief meaning of combination method. And guys, you can go to the blog which I have created for the cubers. The description box, you will get the link. Go to that to see all the algorithms for the pattern that I have told you, like twisted duck feet, cube in the cube in the cube, cube in the cube, and the combination method for making twisted sides. thank you guys for watching. If you want to like this video, you can like. If you want to subscribe this, you can subscribe, and if you want, you can share. And but please don't unlike this video, I am requesting you. So bye guys.